Are you looking for ways to take your business to the next level? Have you considered the benefits of incorporating AI into your operations? Join us for a webinar on how to revolutionize your business with ChatGPT, unleashing the power of AI, and discover how ChatGPT, an AI-powered chatbot, can transform the way you engage with your customers. During this webinar, our expert panel will discuss the advantages of using ChatGPT in your business, including how it can help you personalize your customer interactions, streamline your communications, and increase your efficiency. We'll cover key topics such as how ChatGPT works, how it can be integrated into your existing systems, and best practices for implementation. Whether you're a small business owner or a marketing professional, this webinar is designed to help you harness the power of AI to achieve your business goals. Don't miss this opportunity to learn from our experts and take your business to the next level with ChatGPT. We know you will enjoy this and take away valuable insight on how ChatGPT can transform your business. We look forward to seeing you on the webinar. Link to register is in the description below.